Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I thank you all for subscribing, and for those that are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and press the like buttons to support my channel. I really appreciate, and I thank you all for subscribing, for your love and everything. Today I will be doing tutorial on natural hair mask for to grow hair in case your hair is damaged. You can actually use this hair mask to grow back your hair, restore your hair, stop hair breakage. Whenever you comb your hair pulling off, this hair mask is a good natural home remedy to stop hair breakage, make your hair grow and moisturize your hair. And we'll be using banana, avocado, honey, castor oil, and tea tree and rosemary essential oil. As you can see, I've blended the avocado and banana together, and now I'll be putting it in this filter to filter it, because you cannot put it direct to your hair. When you put it direct to your hair, you're going to have some of banana and avocado on your hair after washing. But when you do it this method, you filter it. When you wash it, everything goes out of your hair. So I'm actually going to filter it to remove the left banana and avocado from the mixture. And now I'm going to go ahead to add honey. Honey is good for the hair. It adds good moisture to the hair. It moisturizes your hair. And I'm adding castor oil to the mixture with tea tree essential oil. This is very good for your hair. And peppermint, rosemary oil, essential oil. These oil are very good to the hair. They stop hair breakage. They make your hair grow fast, and they restore damaged hair. And this is very good for your hair. Rosemary and tea tree oil is very good for the hair. And after that, I will be applying it to her hair. Please guys, my child, she's very dramatic when it comes to her hair, and this is the first time I'm actually going to apply something onto her hair when she's awake. I actually make her hair when she is sleeping, and right now I said today I have to do this hair mask on her hair. And as you can see, she's going to be very dramatic. And please guys, don't so this is it. I'm actually adding the hair mask onto her hair to moisturize it, to make it sit onto her hair, to make it grow, and also to restore our hair. This natural hair mask is very good for the hair. It's very good to grow your hair and also stop hair damage, especially when your hair is pulling out. Whenever you comb your hair, it pulls out. This hair mask is very good. Avocado and banana with castor oil. You all know the benefit of castor oil to the hair. It's very good. It restores damaged hair. It stops hair breakage. It makes your hair grow. Whatever there's a problem on the hair, when you start applying this hair mask on your hair, at least do it twice or 3 times every week, you're going to see the benefit of this hair mask on your hair. Your hair will stop breaking. Guys, as you can see, she's crying. So I'm combing it. So after that, I have to let it sit on her hair for hours before I will wash it off. I'll let the mixture sit onto her hair. So guys, I've finished washing the hair. I shampoo it and also condition it. I finished washing her hair. So I'm about to comb it right now, and she's actually crying. She doesn't want me to touch her hair, so I have to comb it gently. So after that, I added leave-in condition onto her head for moisture. And after this, I will be packing the hair into one ponytail packing. So guys, this is it, and thank you for watching, and thank you all for subscribing, and those that are yet to subscribe, please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you all.